noong draft night for the Creamline Cool Smashers. So we can also see the rookie Pia Abu immediately starting for Coach Jorge De Brito. And not just that, even yung transfer from the Petrogas Angels, Casey Galdones, now is a Capital One Solars.
Doromal will play setter. Sing. Send it back. Welcome to the Creamline Cool Smashers. Abu, another rookie here.
Ang maganda sa middle blocker lineup ni Coach Jorge ay kaya nilang mag-slide. Not all middle blockers are comfortable with slide attacks.
Creamline has opened up a 4-point lead and a service ace. Toring has been hanging out in that service line for quite a long time now. Shola Alvarez off the bench for a much needed point in Estrella.
That's a good option for macro attacks. Hindi na sila nagiging second option. Sometimes they're really the primary player to go to.
And a service ace.
This has been the issue of Capital One.
It doesn't matter to them.
But they always take it one game at a time. I mean, itong grupo ng girls na to sobrang competitive, not just like Bolivia, but also in training.
Competitive ba usapan niyo?
Probably the most competitive person I know. She hates.
Good receive for Roma. Sing. That one straight to the net, and so in convincing fashion, Creamline winning it 25-10. No signs of rustiness for the Cool Smashers, as this is brought to you by Myra. Be Vita Brighter with Myra's vitamin-powered whitening lotion. And there you have it. First set has come to a close. Eliza